Dear student, today we are in our new point nucleophilic substitution reaction. In the haloalkane, carbon is partially positive, chlorine is partially negative. Whenever OH minus attacks on the carbon, so this carbon which is positively charged, which called the nucleus. On nucleus, attacks of OH minus occur. So OH is the nucleophile, and this reaction is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. The chlorine remove થાય, OH is adding that. Here chloride is replaced by nucleophile OH minus. This reaction substitution depends upon reactant, which type of reactant is taken and which type of solvent is taken. On the basis of it, haloalkanes gives two type of reactions, SN1 and SN2. In case of SN1 reaction, means first order reaction. Yes. How we can see? So it occurs in two steps. SN1 means occurs in two steps. After removal of chloride, this carbon became positively charged, and this carbon is tertiary carbocation. So whenever carbocation is stable, after removal of halogen, it gives SN1 reaction. It occurs in two steps. In first step, you can see first bond breaks between carbon and chlorine. After removal of chloride, which gives tertiary carbocation, which is stable, and now attacks, this step is low. After occurrence of positive charge carbon, which is stable, attacks occur of OH minus group on that carbon. This is fast. Why? Ionic attraction, completely positive, completely negative. So which is faster? So which one is slower? First one is the slower. So due to chemical kinetic, slower one step is rate determining step. So rate of this reaction depends upon only tertiary butyl chloride, not on OH minus. Here is only one reactant, so rest is one, so which is first order reaction. Understood? Now some important points we have to remember regarding SN1 reaction. We are going to discuss some important point regarding SN1 reaction. First important note, store in your mind, SN1 reaction is carried out in secondary or tertiary carbocation compound. Here, second one, for this reaction solvent should be polar, otherwise protic. Protic means which gives H plus ion, like water. So it gives SN1. In the presence of water, in the presence of acetic acid, trifluoroacetic acid, and ethanol are protic solvents which gives SN1. Here reaction occurs in two steps. So rearrangement is possible. In first step, carbocation occurs, which is secondary, and neighbor carbon is tertiary. So rearrangement occurs in the case of SN1 reaction. Rearrangement, we will discuss about it. In this reaction, inversion as well as retention occurs. In this reaction, retention and inversion occurs. Yes, sir. And also racemic mixture occurs in SN1 reactions. Like I am giving you example for that. Suppose 2-chlorobutane is given. 2-chlorobutane is given. Is reacting with OH minus ion. So this carbon and polar protic solution so gives SN1. First carbocation occurs, and due to occurrence of carbocation, OH attacks from left hand side, otherwise from right hand side, otherwise from left hand side. So it gives a racemic mixture. Retention also, inversion also, and racemic mixture also occurs there. In this reaction, this type of product occurs in the case of SN1. You can see. Now, one more important thing is that in the benzene ring, halogen is present. In the benzene ring, halogen is present, so it gives SN2. Never gives SN1. In the benzene ring, there is a chlorine, chlorobenzene, otherwise the para-chlorotoluene. Here, after removal of chlorine, this carbon is highly unstable. Phenyl carbocation is highly unstable, so it gives only SN2. Chlorobenzene, benzene connected with chlorine, so it gives SN2. Why? After removal of chlorine, it became phenyl carbocation, which is highly unstable. Now this carbon is sp hybridized, so it should be negative, but it is a positive charge. Double bond having carbon is positive charge, so highly unstable, so it never gives SN1. It gives here in the presence of chlorine, which attacking that. In this case, racemization is 100%. In this case, racemization 100%. Or some cases, it is partial. It gives product reacting with OH 100% racemic mixture, otherwise in some cases partial racemic mixture it gives. In this case, in SN1, yes, in SN1, we are in SN1. In case of SN1, detector should be nucleophile should be weak base. Otherwise, elimination reaction occurs. As I am giving you example. Suppose CH3C, CH3, CH3, and Cl is given. Same example, 2-chloro, 2-methyl butane is taken. Is reacting with the ethoxide and tertiary butyl chloride is reacting with the ethanol. This is strong base, this is a weak base. So this one is proper. This one is proper for the reaction path. Weak base. So chlorine replaced by ethoxy. And removal of HCl gives, this is strong base. So main product will be elimination. Ethanol is weak base, where ethoxide is a strong base. So product here will be, second case is more. Now give the answer. Which one gives a fast reaction with KOH? Which one gives a fast reaction with aqueous KOH? Here vinyl chloride we are taking as an example, and allyl chloride. So tell me, both are reacting with aqueous KOH. Which one gives faster? Here both carbon is primary. No need of it, both are same, primary. After removal of chloride, this carbon is highly unstable. But here, after removal of chloride, there is a resonating structure. This 2 electron moves here, and this became positive. And due to resonating structure, yes, B, A and B gives a fast reaction. Halogen remove થાય. After removal of halogen, our carbon should be more stable, so it gives fast reaction. Now, which one of the following gives faster reaction? Chloromethane, bromomethane, and iodomethane. Decide. Here methyl group is same. So bond between carbon and iodine is weak. So CH3I, third one gives faster. Then after bromomethane, and then after chloromethane gives a fast reaction. So with KOH, which one gives faster? Whenever alkyl group is same. So we have to check the halogen. Iodine is big in size, the bond easily breaks here. So iodomethane, then bromomethane, and then iodomethane gives a reaction in sequence. Now what about reactivity order? Give the reactivity order. Suppose the thioalcohol, methanol and methyl chloride. Out of three, which one gives fast reaction? Think about it. Which one gives fast reaction? Obviously, chloromethane. Bond easily breaks up. Carbon and chlorine. So which one? Chloromethane gives a fast reaction due to inductive effect of chlorine is very high. Then SH and then OH. Then 1 and then after 2. Clear? Now we are in our second nucleophilic reaction is SN2. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, it is second order. Second order reaction, it occurs only in one step. It occurs only in one step. Whenever carbocation is whenever carbon is highly unstable, it gives SN2 reaction. Now I will give you example. Suppose chloromethane we are taking is reacting with OH minus. Here methyl carbocation highly unstable. So in presence of chlorine, OH here attacking on another side. So this bond will be breaks, start to break and form to start here. And now you can see OH groups enters on opposite side of chlorine. So here product is inversion. Invert product occurs. Here you can see arrangement of hydrogen like this. After reacting OH, side is changed. Inversion product occurs here. In SN2 reaction, it gives primary and secondary carbon containing compounds. Which type of compound gives SN2 reaction? Primary and secondary carbon containing compounds generally gives SN2 reaction. In this reaction, solvent should be in this reaction polar aprotic means absence of H plus. So acetone. Example. Which type of solvent? Polar but aprotic. Solvent is not giving H plus ion like water, alcohol. So it gives the SN2 reaction. Now, another important point, for SN2 reaction is that it gives inward product. In this reaction state, the end the product formed due to inversion. Yes, inward product. It gives the inward product. Sometimes dextro converts if reactant is dextro. So it gives a product as a LiO. If LiO is given, then it gives dextro. Sometimes dextro into dextro. Otherwise, sometimes LiO remains LiO. Here, no rearrangement. In SN2, rearrangement is not possible, and attacker the nucleophile should be strong base, so which gives SN2 reaction. Now we are going to solve some problems. We are going to solve some problems. About nucleophilic substitution reactions. So first of all, 1 chlorine is given 2. 3 and 4 is a find out which is having SN1, which one gives the SN1, SN2 or both. First of all, our halogen containing carbon is primary. So it means carbocation is unstable. So it occurs in one step. So it gives SN2. Now what about second one? Chlorine containing carbon is a secondary. Yes, in secondary both. Why? In secondary our solvent is not given. So we can take both SN1 or SN2. Reaction condition not given. So both. In the case of tertiary, obviously it gives SN1. Here carbocation is tertiary more stable. So easily chlorine removes and easily OH attacks occurs in 2 steps. So it gives SN1. Primary carbocation gives SN2. Tertiary carbocation gives SN1. But secondary carbocation, whenever we have to choose protic or non-protic. Aqueous solution is non-aqueous. On the basis of SN1, SN2, here reactant is not, solvent is not given. So both here halogen containing carbon is the primary. So primary carbocation gives generally SN2 reaction. Yes, this is our answer. Now second question. In which case reaction is passed? Chlorobenzene, and in which case reaction is passed? In chlorobenzene and para-nitrochlorobenzene. Tell me. Which reaction? SN2. Reaction fast. SN2 means carbocation should be unstable. Here phenyl carbocation unstable. Here is also phenyl carbocation unstable, but NO2 is withdrawal group. It increases positive charge on this carbon. So highly unstable carbocation in case B. So B gives SN2 faster than A. Now some other substitution reactions we are going to discuss. Some other substitution reactions. Chloroalkane, when we take, is reacting with aqueous KOH. So K with Cl removes KCl, gives ROH alcohol. Now reaction with silver oxide aqueous, otherwise silver hydroxide. So chlorine removes with Ag and gives also alcohol. Reaction with potassium cyanide, K with Cl removes KCl and gives a cyanoalkane. If AgCN is taken, remember, so alkyl group combines with not carbon but nitrogen. So this one is isocyanide occurs. Like this, potassium nitrite is taken. So K with Cl is a KCl. Here not nitrogen but oxygen is combining with carbon. So alkyl nitrite occurs. But reaction with silver nitrite. So AgCl removes and gives the nitroalkane here. Product is here nitroalkane. Understood? Now I am giving you example. Suppose CH3C H CH3 and CHCl and here is CH3 reaction with aqueous KOH. Find out the total isomeric product. Here you can see aqueous solution is given, so reaction occurs by halogen containing carbon is secondary. So there are two possibilities, SN1, SN2, but here our solution is protic H plus water containing, so it gives SN1. So after removal of chlorine with KCl, it gives a secondary carbocation. So here rearrangement occurs. Why? This neighbor carbon is primary, this one tertiary. From here H minus transfer. So this one is now tertiary carbocation and there will be OH combines. You can see this is our product. This is major product. But here sometimes some OH group combining directly there. So this carbon is a kiran, H methyl OH and isopropyl. So it gives dextranoleo product also. So this is our dextro, then it will be dextro, otherwise this one leo, dextro, leo. 2 minor product racemic mixture gives. This one is the final product, major product. That is the minor if Ki with acetone is taken. Yes, in secondary haloalkane HCl CH3, you can see CH2 CH3. Halogen containing carbon is attached with another 2 carbon. Reaction with Ki and acetone. Here polar but not aprotic. Protic નથી but non-protic. Water નથી. So here reaction occurs SN2, not SN1. So polar હોય આ secondary carbocation. This one is secondary carbocation. So there are 2 possibilities, SN1, SN2. But our solution is not aqueous. So SN1 is not giving, but SN2 gives. SN2 means one step. So chlorine replaces and iodine combines there. But attacks occurs on opposite side. So invert product occurs here. Inversion product occurs here. This is our final. In secondary carbocation, which type of reagents is taken on the basis of it, it gives our product. Now, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.